Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to activate voice mode in Grok. So this is a step-by-step guide to enable and use Grok AI's voiced conversation feature. So let's start with the first one, which is to find the voice mode button. So to do that, just open the Grok AI on the X platform, or you can also go to grok.com and then look for the microphone icon or the voice mode option in the chat input area. So this feature allows you to have spoken conversations with Grok. Next is enable the voice mode in the settings. So if the voice button isn't visible, you have to go to the Grok settings and toggle the voice mode on. So on the mobile phone, you just have to navigate to the X app settings and then tap on the Grok section and ensure that the voice permissions are enabled. Next is start a conversation. So tap the microphone button to activate the voice mode, and then you will see an audio waveform visualization indicating that Grok is listening. So you just have to speak naturally, and then the Grok will respond with synthesized speech. Next is customize the voice settings. So Grok offers multiple voice styles and then the language options as well. So you just have to access the voice settings to choose your preferred AI voice. You can also adjust speech speed and then select your language for both input and output. Lastly is enjoy voice conversations. So you can now have a full voice conversations with Grok. So the transcript appears alongside audio playback controls. So you can review what the Grok said. So voice mode supports the same capabilities as text chat. So you can switch between voice and text seamlessly within the same conversation. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!